guys, welcome back to Glam Queen DIY. I'm Tammy, and today's video is sponsored by AOETREE. Now AOETREE sent me this cordless leaf blower. I'm going to include all of AOETREE's information down in that description box along with the link as well. They also sell on Amazon, so do make sure you check them out. Now you guys, we're just going to unbox it. It does come with warranty and instructions, but here are all of my pieces. And you guys, this was so simple to assemble and put together. You guys, I'm telling you, it was super duper easy, because you know your girl don't hardly read instructions, but this was very simple and easy to put together. It had the 2 tubes. They also did send 2 batteries. So this cordless leaf blower, not only is it lightweight, it has 2 batteries and a charger. It is 20 volts powered. It is a small handheld blower for lawn care. Now I will tell you, to me personally, I think this is a perfect blower for your front porch, your back porch, or your patio, for just like a small confined area. It is also, and I'm gonna tell you, it is also very female oriented for trying to do certain little items. I do have a regular leaf blower, and those things are extremely heavy, but this one is super duper lightweight. Once again, now this leaf blower is made through AOETREE. Once again, super lightweight. It weighs 3.4 pounds. It has an ultra light compact body, easy for women to hold. It can be operated with one hand, and as you can see, I'm showing you the task of what I'm getting ready to use it for. So we're just gonna blow the leaves, you guys. Now, because it is a 1-button control with the leaf blower to switch it on, so it's very simple to use. They did send me 2 rechargeable batteries for up to 100 minutes runtime, and I will tell you guys, using this leaf blower, I probably got 15, no more than 20 minutes tops off of that one battery. So with a project this size that I was doing, I'm going to tell you, you would need multiple batteries. But if it had a stronger wadded battery, it would have gave me a little bit more power, because it does have a 20 volt 2A lithium ion battery with the charger. And it's, once again, the battery runtime is up to about 100 minutes on low speed and 20 minutes on high speed. And as you can tell by the assignment, that this required high speed blowing. My sister was bringing in hers as well to see the comparison, but she had a Craftsman, which is a little more heavy duty. But you guys, this leaf blower has a powerful copper motor turbine engine, which makes this turbofan technology, which gives you improved output with up to 130 miles per hour blowing power. Now it has 2 adjustables of speed, and that is that low speed and that high speed, as you can see here. Once again, you guys, make sure you do check that description box with this lightweight leaf blower. 20-minute runtime, powerful copper motor, 60 miles per hour low speed, 130 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour on the low speed, 130 miles per hour on the high speed. The barrel of the leaf blower is 12.7 inches, and with that extended tube, it comes to 21.2 inches. You guys, do make sure you check out AOETREE. All of that information in the description, and thank you, AOETREE. Now you guys, I'll see you in the next video.